Today I am going to make 3 easy Valentine crafts. A garland, a card, and a wreath. The first one, it is a heart garland. To make a perfect heart, I will use Microsoft Word. Open a new document, then go to Auto Shape, then Basic Shapes, and then click on the heart. I will stretch it up to 1/4 of a page. Then I will print it and cut it. For the hearts, I will use red and pink poster board papers. And I will cut 10 pink hearts and 10 red hearts. I'm gluing the hearts to a red ribbon. I am alternating the red and pink hearts. Be very careful because the glue gun is very hot. Look at the garland! It looks amazing, really. The second one, it is a card. I will use Microsoft Word. Open a new document. Go to File, Page Setup, choose Landscape. Then go to Auto Shapes. Then Basics and click on the heart. I will make a big heart. Go to File, Print, OK. Once it's printed, it's going to look like this. I will cut it. I will trace the heart and cut it out. I will reuse some tissue paper from my birthday. I will cut the tissue paper and then I will do this. I will put some glue. I will do this all around. We'll put glue, and this is how it will look when it's finished. This will be for my mom. I will write, I love you, then I'll trace it on top with a marker. I glued the red and pink hearts together. On the pink side, I already wrote Happy Valentine's Day with a red marker. Now I'm going to put a red ribbon and I'm going to write XOX at the bottom with a black marker. The last one, it is a wreath. To make the wreath template, I will use Microsoft Word. Open a new document. Go to Auto Shape, then Basic Shape. Click on the heart. I will make a heart, but I will use half of it. I will stretch it. Then click on File, Print, OK. Now, I'm going to show you how to make this template. I will glue some paper at the top and bottom. I will use a ruler and I will mark 4 centimeters all around. I will trace the heart and cut it out. I am going to use this cardboard. It is from a milk box. trace half of the heart. I am going to flip over the template and I will trace the rest of the heart. Now I will cut it out. So I already cut out the heart, and now I have some leftover tissue paper from my last birthday. I will cut rectangular tissue paper pieces 5 inches long by 4 inches wide. The wreath is finished. I hope you like these 3 crafts. I encourage you to do some of these projects for you or your loved ones. Show love and friendship. Happy Valentine's Day!
Please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making more videos.